Hey guys, welcome back to my channel SewItYourself. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Today I am sharing you the most recommended video for standard size chart for Kurti. Firstly, I'll show you how to take the measurements in body and then I'll show you how to draft that with the formula. Always, the first step while taking measurement is total length of the kurti. So from this point till the bottom, it is called as total length of the kurti. This is the first step. So always first measure the total length. It varies from person to person and also it depends upon whether they are tall or short or regular. From this point to here is called as shoulder measurement. For shoulder, you need to take the full shoulder length, then divide it by 2. Now comes the chest measurement. You have to take the full body circumference from the armpit or the armhole. So that is called as chest measurement. So from this point to here, that is 2.5 inch or 3 inch down, it is called as bust measurement. From the shoulder to waist. This is a waist point. So from the shoulder till here is called as waist measurement. It is 14 inch or 15 inch. Again, it depends upon the person's height. This is hip measurement. From the shoulder till this point, you have to mark 20 or 21 inch. These measurements should be taken as full body circumference. Then comes the slit of the kurti. For armhole, we need to take the full circumference of the arms, then divide it by 2. That is armhole measurements. So these are the required measurements we need to cut the kurti. Now I'll show you the standard measurements. Again, I would suggest that this as a reference, but it is always better to take measurement from the body because each body type will differ from the standard size. Now, I'll show you the excess size. It is between 28 to 29, shoulder is 13 inch and chest is 28 inch and bust is 28 inch. So again, it may be chest and bust size will be equal or the bust size will be bigger than the chest. Now the waist measurement between 24 to 26 and 26 is the standard size. Armhole is 6.5 inch, hip is 34 inch and length is 38 inch. Again, it depends upon the type of kurti you are cutting. If it is regular, it is 38. If it is a salwar, then it is 2 inch less, and for anarkali and umbrella type, it may be some 3 to 4 inch more than that. So now I'll show you the seam allowance. So for all the garments or fabrics, we need seam allowance. So I'll show you. For suppose the shoulder is 12 inch, then divided by 2 is 6 inch. So this is your shoulder measurement you are going to mark. Then chest. For chest, I have taken 32 inch. So divided by 4 will be 8 inch plus 2 inch for seam allowance. So it is 10 inch. So you are going to mark it as 10 inch. Again for waist, 28 inch divided by 4 will gives you 7 inch. Plus 2 inch for seam allowance, then it is 9 inch. For hip measurement, it is 32 inch divided by 4 is 8 inch. So plus 2 inch for seam allowance. So you will get 10 inch. So this is very important while cutting the fabric. Now I'll take any of these measurements and I'll draft the pattern. So I have taken S size. This is the standard measurement. Now I'll show you how to draft this. I have taken a piece of paper. These are 2 layers. Firstly, I'll draw a shoulder line. In my measurement, length is 38 inch. So consider this as 38 inch. Then shoulder. Shoulder is 13.5 inch. Divided by 2 gives you 6.75 inch. So I am marking 6.75 inch. Neck width is 3 inch. From this point, mark half inch down. This is shoulder slope. So for armhole, it is 7 inch. So from this point, I am marking 7 inch. I am joining these points. From this point, mark 7.5 inch. (14 inch). Then 20 inch. I am extending these points. So now I am marking the chest measurement. So in my measurement, chest is 30 inch. Divided by 4 will gives you 7.5 inch plus 2 inch for seam allowance. Seam allowance should always be at the open side. Now from this point, I am marking burst measurement, which is 12.5 inch down, and I am extending these points. So burst measurement is 32 inch. Divided by 4 is 8 inch plus 2 inch for seam allowance. So waist measurement, which is 28 inch, divided by 4 will gives you 7 inch plus 2 inch for seam allowance. Then hip is 38 inch, divided by 4 is 9.5 inch plus 2 inch for seam allowance. Now front neck depth and back neck depth. Front neck is 6 inch and back neck is 4 inch. I am joining these points. From this point, mark 1 inch. Then find the midpoint and mark it. Then I am drawing a back armhole. Again from this point, mark half inch inwards. Then I am drawing a front armhole. Now I am joining these points. So after hip, there will be a slit. Now I am going to cut it. I'll trim only the back neck. So this is the front portion and this is the back portion. I'm slitting at the center. Now I'm separating the back portion, and for the front portion, I'm trimming the neck and the armhole. So this is how we have to do the markings for all types of kurti. So I hope you like this video. So if you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.